Here is how we can send images and pictures from WhatsApp to email. So that might be a very useful trick. So let me show you exactly how you can make that work. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. First step is to open up WhatsApp, of course, and we can notice I have a couple of chats and those contain photos, images, or other media. And if I want to export it or share this image to someone over email, all I have to do in here is to hold down on it. I have the regular buttons like the emoji reactions at the top, right? The usual stuff. But I also have some options. Like if I click on more in here, you can see that I can speak, translate, delete, and so on. So I have like 2 pages of this. But what we want to do is to click on forward. So when I click on forward, it's gonna like select the image, right? So you can select even more, but it kind of tries to make you forward it to someone else on WhatsApp. So if you click on this forward button, you can send this image to someone else, but we are still within WhatsApp. So in there, once we have the image selected, we actually have to tap on the share button in the bottom right, like so, and this pulls up the other sharing tools. So now we have access of this JPEG image, a couple of data about it, and we can use, for example, the Mail app to share it to someone over the Apple Mail app, right? Or we also have the ability to find other mail apps like Outlook in my case. Or if you have it downloaded, Gmail should definitely be part of the selection too. So you can kind of like use it this way and kind of like grab the image from WhatsApp and directly import it to email and send it as an attachment. So that's something that you can definitely do. I hope that I was able to guide you through the way it works. So if you found this video useful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.